Hey guys, Nick and I are going to talk to you today about the old versus the new Sorento and why you should trade your old body style Sorento in for a new one. Covering the exterior, front end of the older body style Sorento is much more rounded with a less sporty looking face on the front and overall rounded front end.
2024 Kia Sorento. We got a beautiful new headlight design, new grille features known as the Tiger Nose Grille, and the brand new Kia logo.
On the old body style, the wheels were a little less sporty, more of a generic looking rim, and they had the old Kia logo on it.
On the 2024, we have 18-inch black and silver rims.
Lastly, for the exterior, the old body style had more of a rounded back end, less sharp edges throughout the entire exterior.
2024, beautiful exterior design with sharp edges on the back.
For the old body style, the easiest way to fold the seats to get back to the third row would be on the side here by pulling this lever, folding it, and then having to slide it from the bottom in order to get in, making it more difficult to get through.
Another upgrade in the 2024 Sorento is the fast slide seats.
When sitting in the second row, charging, the only way to find a charger would be down below, down here underneath, pretty far away from the top of the car.
Lastly, in the 2024, you have USB-C ports on the left and the right seat for the people sitting in your second row.
Up front, the whole entertainment system has been remodeled, so the radio screen, touch screen, as well as the speedometer has been completely renovated from what you see here in this old model.
In comparison to the old Sorento, in the new Sorento, we have a full display screen, infotainment system on your right-hand side, cluster screen on your left, and a full digital display for your heat and for the top unit.